Yo, I guess we all change sometimes. Some for better, and some for worse. Listen.
Here's the story of a snitch that I knew so many years, but now he's a bitch. Fuck your feelings, he can suck my dick. Here's the story of a snitch that I knew so many years, but now he's a bitch. Fuck your feelings, he can suck my dick. Look at all these fake ass MCs claiming they rap kinda spit just like me, but they don't have it, faggot. I was helping you maggots, now I'ma show the world that you rap, bitch, and do what you can't do, cause it haunts you. Dude, you're just so cool and I'm not you. Boo-hoo, you're a fool trying to fit in my shoes. Snoozing, drunk, puking, yeah, you're losing. I took my whole fan base back, I managed to get myself back up, back to rapping. I'm manned up, even though I was backstabbed right in the back by my best friend.